In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy games with gold points on your Nintendo Switch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find eligible games when you open up the Nintendo eShop and you open up their product page. When you open up a product page for games on your Nintendo eShop, you can look for this text I've highlighted, earn up to however many gold points. When you earn these gold points, you can add items to your cart, and when they are in the cart, you will be prompted to use a payment method. Above the available payment methods, you are going to see this message: use points for a discount. Before completing your purchase, simply select use points for a discount and you will be redirected to a window where you can see the amount of gold points that you have and the amount of gold points that are going to be deduced and the amount of discount that you will be given upon buying this game with gold points enabled. You can also use the mobile app on your phone at My Nintendo to keep track of your gold points and to see what you can get from the app itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy games with gold points on your Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.